higher.
All right, so hi Maya, how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Happy New Year, happy Valentine's, all of that.
2023, Valentine's, yes, all of that.
Yeah. This is not your first, second, third time in Jamaica. Like at this point, how many times have you been to Jamaica?
I don't know. Every year, though.
I think we should consider you like an honorary Jamaican, right?
Pretty much.
How's the year been going for you?
Beautiful. Yeah, been on tour, just coming off of a tour.
Yeah.
And here.
Oh, so you're staying booked and busy.
Yes.
Okay, I'm loving that for you.
It's a blessing, yeah.
You're here at Lovers and Friends, so I want to ask you this question now. How has your understanding or definition of love changed from the Maya that started out, get a superstar, to Maya right now? Like, how has your understanding of love changed?
Definition of love. Wow.
Yes, a deep question.
Well, you know, I think when we're in societies, we're kind of programmed to think that love is existent in another person and that we need to seek.
Yeah.
But it's all within you. You are love. It's also all around you every day. And Jamaica has always reminded me of that.
It's a place when you come here, it's like it's peace.
It's a place of, well, every place has its underlying issues. But this is one of the places where you can actually see love in creation. You can taste love in the beautiful organic.
No, honestly, we have to get you a part of Jamaica tourist board because this is
serious. It's serious. The nature, the natural, the organic is here. The music, like reggae music is world music, but it's from a place of love.
Yeah.
And wanting better for the world. And you feel all of that vibration here when you come here. Not just the food, but the people. Not just the people, but the culture, the music, the landscape.
The whole entire vibe.
Everything.
Yeah. So now that you've been to Jamaica so many times now, can you tell me like some of the expressions, the Jamaican sayings and words that you have gone
I mean, there's always wagwan.
All right, wagwan. Yeah, something else, man. I know. I hope it's not any of any other curse words.
Well, yeah, it is. I can't say that.
Have you caught on any of the dances? Because I know that you love to dance.
Yeah, you know, Ding Dong Ravers and I. We have a collaboration. It's called Sexting Rhythm.
Maya, how many?
Hands Free is the name of the song, over the Sexting Rhythm.
Maya, how many Jamaican artists have you collaborated with? Like, I know you've collaborated with Spice, with Beenie Man, like
Beanie,
the list goes on.
Bounty
Killer.
That's unreleased right now.
Wait, what?
That's unreleased.
So you can give me a little what's a song of vibe? It's a love song, it's a dancing song.
You can dance to it. Yes.
But what's the topic? Can you give me a little?
It's a cultural dance, but that's all I'm gonna.
Oh wow, Maya! No, you're here at Lovers and Friends now. It's my first time seeing you live, and I'm so grateful to like see and see that so many years in the industry and you're still doing it, and you can tell like you really love it. Like what keeps you going at this point in time? Because so much has changed with the music, but like what keeps you still like pleasing your fans?
I love music. I really love music, whether it's songwriting, or expressing myself. Obviously, performing is an extension of that. I've been performing since I was a kid, so it's just something I love to do. My dad still performs; he's a singer. I love music though, and I love people, and people keep me going. You know, it's all about them at the end of the day, giving. Yeah. And when you give, you receive. But I have much better on the way. Like my best art and work is
it's still
coming.
To come.
It's coming. Yes, I finished 2 albums during the pandemic, and it's beautiful and it's timeless. So I can't wait to share that.
No, Maya, I have to tell you, can I fan out for a second? Like back in the day, I don't know if you found this like a compliment, but people used to refer to you as like a black pop girl. You know, like when you had Britney Spears. Did you take kindly to that, or did you understand like the black Britney, like a black girl doing pop music?
Yeah, I understood that. I was with a label that didn't understand R&B, and they were all rap and rock, so it was kind of like the testing experiment to figure out what this is.
So you just had to go along with the vibe.
Yeah, and I had a lot of support.
Yeah,
because we were trying to figure it out.
And
like, who's this teenage
who is this girl? And how we go package her?
Like, what is this?
No, Maya, I'm telling you, we need to drop this. Maya said the song, The Case of the Ex. I was too young to really figure it out. You know me, I say, Maya, can I find out right now? Like me, I say, like they do something.
What is it that she wants? Tell me what is it that she needs?
So you go on the ground and like all of that. Yeah. You can still do that now, Maya?
Of course, I can do more than that. And that's
the
coming.
The full routine?
I just no, I can do way more than that.
Oh no.
So that's coming soon. So brace yourself.
Is that going to be in a music video with Bounty Killer? Is that going to be in the
That's a
music
different
video?
one. That's a
Oh, it's a
different
different
one,
vibe.
yeah.
Okay, Maya, that's like a secretive, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, before you go, I know a lot of the ladies, like, they look for you for, like, you know, just like keeping up the beauty and stuff. Like, what keeps Maya fresh and so vibrant and stay good and all of that? Like, not change. What is it?
No drama. No stress. Eliminate all of the craziness. You know what I'm saying? Protect your energy.
How though? Because, you know, it's not easy. Like, you stay drama free.
Yes.
Like, that means that you really, like...
That means that I know what drama looks like because I've been through drama. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm very, very cautious. You know, and then making sure that I get some alone time. Self-care is very important. There's diet, there's exercise. I don't have time to exercise too much, so that's a struggle for me.
What do you do? Like yoga? What is the type of exercise that you do?
Everything, like cardio, boxing. I love to box.
Oh, okay.
You know, some yoga. I'm not good at yoga, but it's helpful when I try. Eating good, making sure I get my fruits and my vegetables in.
No
all
drama.
of my vegan junk food.
No, I feel a little way for... No, I feel
hydration and sleep is important.
Okay.
Sleep is
How much
important.
hours of sleep you get?
It depends. On tour, not too many.
Okay.
But I will take a long break after I've been
And just
working
rest.
very, very hard. Yes.
No, Maya, make me feel bad to be bringing up a little bit of drama-esque right now. But like, I was on the timeline today and I saw a video with Pink. And Pink, like, she mentioned like when...
Well, there's Lady Marmalade. I'm gonna put that down here at 12.
How come?
It wasn't very fun to make. I'm all about fun, and it was like a lot of fuss, and there were some personalities. Kim and Maya were nice.
She was doing a Lady Marmalade video that there were probably like 2 people out of the... that were very nice to her. And she mentioned you and somebody else. You get me? But she did not call...
Christina.
You know?
She said that I was nice or I
Yes, she
wasn't
said
nice.
you were nice. She said you were nice and singled out somebody else. But she didn't call, you know, Pink never called the other person who was the, you know,
that was so
wanna
long
get
ago.
dirty. Yeah, man, she never called that person's name.
Oh, well, I don't know what that is.
Okay, so
I
that's
wasn't there as a witness
Yeah.
to witness anything. I
Yeah.
was doing my job
So
and I
that's
was minding
media
my
traded.
business. No, seriously, I didn't see anything. Everything was happy-go-lucky, but I don't know what happens behind the scenes all the time.
All right, so tell the people what they can expect from Maya for 2023. Anything that you want to plug, performances, go ahead right now.
Well, I'm not going to plug anything but my website.
Okay.
MayaMaya.com.
Yeah.
You know, that's my website. You can find out all the tour dates there, what's coming next. And I just joined TikTok. I'm celebrating my 25th anniversary.
Maya, you're going to kill it, you know. You're going to kill it. You are going to kill TikTok.
Oh, yes.
Okay. All right, so before I go, I have to get you to go and say my catchphrase, which is box cover. Okay, so how you do this? You have to go like this. Box cover. You've learned so many Jamaican words like, yeah.
What's
so
the
you have,
meaning?
It means like, what box cover mean? Come on, Jamaicans, what box cover mean? It mean like it's like shock. It's like, oh my god. So for example, like I drop my phone. So I just say box cover like
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so how you go? You go like this, teaching you. I just box cover.
Box cover.
All right, that's it. Take care, Maya. Nice meeting you.
That's it.
You're about the memories that you deserve me. Tonight.
It's all about feeling good.
Welcome to Lovers and Friends, everyone. How you feeling? I want to do this quick vibe and take you down the lane of love. Because as we all know, the world needs more of it. This is a little throwback. If you love hip-hop, if you love R&B,